Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So, children, in this video, I am going to tell you how you have to make your EST project work. How you have to do your EST project work. So, topic is children, clothing of one region. Clothing of one region. So, doing this project, first you need children scrapbook. As I have mentioned earlier also in your English video that you have to do all four subjects work in one scrapbook. In one scrapbook. Okay. Then you need drawing sheet. Then you need drawing paper or drawing sheet. Okay. After that you need some sketch pens, scale, pencil, eraser. Okay, then after that in first page, as I have mentioned in English video also, that after leaving one page you have to write these things in your scrap. Project work, top English, subject English and EST, then topic English EST. So this is how you have to write in your scrap book, and then you have to start with your project. Okay, so your project is children, you have to collect information and write about clothing of any one region. You have to collect information and write about clothing of any one region, and also you have to draw the same. Okay, and you have to draw and decorate it or color it. Okay, so what is region? Children, now you must know what is region, then only you will be able to do this project. So region is an area of land that has common features. Region is an area of land that has common features. A region can be defined by natural or artificial features like language, government, or religion. So region is an area of land that has some common features. Okay, so here I have taken North Indian region. So these are some states which comes under North Indian region like Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. So from this you can choose one state. So as example, I have chosen Uttarakhand. You can choose any other state. Okay, you can choose any other state and you can collect clothing information regarding that state. Okay, then as I have told you that I have taken an example of Uttarakhand. Okay, so traditional clothing of Uttarakhand. As you know, children, people who are living in urban areas, or you can say cities, there people wear, men's wear shirt, pant commonly, and women wear sari, salwar suit, jeans, top, right? But the people who lives in rural area, now also they used to wear traditional clothes. Okay, so now let's see what are the traditional clothes of Uttarakhand. So for women in the Garhwal region of this northern state, women usually wear sari, skirt, or ghagra along with a kameez, that is shirt, as a blouse, and in head they wear colorful scarf. So women wear sari, skirt or ghagra along with a kameez as a blouse, and in head they wear colorful scarf. Then men wear kurta and pajama or kurta and churidar depending on their age, and also paired with a topi. Okay, so these are some traditional clothes of Uttarakhand. Okay, so this is the most common attire wear by the people of Uttarakhand, mostly in rural parts. So you can choose any other North Indian region state and you can write about their traditional clothing. Okay, Uttarakhand is only an example. Okay, you cannot do the same thing. You can choose any other state. And as I have told you, you have to make picture also, and you have to decorate it or color it. So here I have drawn some pictures. Okay, so you have to draw picture like this in drawing sheet, and then you have to paste that drawing sheet in your scrapbook. Okay, you have to paste that drawing sheet in your scrapbook, and then in scrapbook you will write about the clothing information. Okay, so this is how you have to draw pictures. Okay children, so I hope it is clear to you all. So again I will quickly tell you some important points. So you have to do all 4 subjects project work in one scrapbook, and then you need drawing sheet for drawing. Okay, you will draw pictures here, and then you will paste it in scrapbook. Okay, you will draw picture here, and then you will paste it in scrapbook. Okay, then from these states you can choose any one state and collect information about that state's clothing. Okay, so children, this is what you have to do in your project work. Okay, while coloring the picture and decorating the picture, you have to do it very carefully. Okay, it should not look shabby, it should look attractive and beautiful. Okay, and take care of your handwriting also, and write it in cursive handwriting. So I hope children it is clear to you all. Sai Ram.